about a third, making me sadly leave, because I am not where her gentle body stays, sweet and pleasing, which kills me with desiring. Cannot let so true a lover die. And since I cannot love anything so much, if it pleases her, she should not want my death. Forever since I saw her, I could think of nothing else but how to speak and do her pleasure. And it is right for by the praise of those who know she's more worthy. So I love the suffering more of serving her than having great joy from another. Alas, I dare not send my messenger to her, nor have I enough boldness to go see her. And I do not leave it except that I want to make the false gossips think my hope is elsewhere. But the desire is always more burning to me, and the thought that I am not before her with folded hands bent knee to do her every command. The worst I suffer from it cannot discourage me. So much does worth make her surpass all others, nor can any man praise her too much. May God give her the will to have humility, just as in her are prowess and youth, beauty and sense. For never did a lady have so much. So what wrong do I do if I flatter no other? Beautiful lady, I love you so much and hold you dear, that many times in the day I cannot keep myself from going apart to weep all alone, so that I cannot move from there for a while. Such fear I have that choosing may not help me, for your love conquers me more with sighing than I can say or tell in song. For I